बायोटेक्नोलॉजी प्रिंसिपल एंड प्रोसेस डेट है 1/8/24। इससे बाहर क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, ठीक है। बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डील विथ टेक्निक ऑफ यूजिंग लाइव organism or enzyme of from organism to produce product and प्रोसेस यूजफुल टू ह्यूमन। हाँ, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी ने डील करता विद टेक्निक ऑफ यूजिंग लाइव ऑर्गेनिज्म और इंजाइम, लाइव ऑर्गेनिज्म चाहे इंजाइम फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिज्म टू प्रोड्यूस प्रोडक्ट एंड प्रोसेस यूजफुल टू ह्यूमन, ठीक है। इन दिस सेंस मेकिंग कर्ड, bread, wine, which are all microbes mediated process could also be thought as a form of biotechnology। यहाँ पे क्या होता है? इन दिस सेंस मेकिंग कर्ड, ब्रेड और वाइन विच आर ऑल मैक्रोब्स मीडिएटेड प्रोसेस होता है, मैक्रो मीडिएटेड प्रोसेस है, कुड ऑल्सो बी थॉट एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी। ओके, however it is used in a restricted sense, कैसे restricted sense today, to refer to such of those process which use biotechnology modified organism to achieve the same on a large scale. Further many other process technique are also included under biotechnology। हाँ, for example in vitro fertilization leading to the test tube baby, synthesize a gene and using it, biotech developing a DNA vaccine or correcting a defective gene, all are the part of biotechnology। कौन कौन है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का पार्ट? विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन, सिंथेसाइज ऑफ जीन, using it and developing DNA vaccine, corresponding defective gene, all other part of biotechnology। Okay, the European Federation of Biotechnology (EFB) has given a definition of biotechnology that encompass both traditional view and modern molecular biotechnology. Definition given by European Federation of Biotechnology flow: the integration of natural science and organism cells part therefore are molecular analogues for product and service। ठीक है, इम्पोर्टेंट है, ठीक है, ये याद करना। यहाँ पे इससे क्वेश्चन बना है EFB का फुल फॉर्म, और द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ नेचुरल साइंस एंड ऑर्गेनिज्म सेल पार्ट देयरफॉर मॉलिक्यूलर एनालॉगस फॉर प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस। ओके, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, प्रिंसिपल क्या है? अमंग बहुत सारा में, द टू कोर technique that enable birth of modern biotechnology are genetic engineer technique to alter the chemistry of genetic material DNA or RNA to introduce these into the host organism and the change the phenotype of the host organism। यहाँ पे देखो जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग क्या है? टेक्निक टू अल्टर द chemistry of genetic material DNA RNA to introduce into the host organism and thus change the phenotype of the host organism। और दूसरा का बायो प्रोसेस इंजीनियरिंग, इसी को केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग भी बोलते हैं। मेंटेनेंस ऑफ स्टाइल microbial contaminated free eminence in chemical engineering process to enable the growth of only the desirable microbes eukaryotic cell in the large quantity for the manufacture of biotechnology product like antibody, vaccine and enzyme etc। बायो प्रोसेस इंजीनियरिंग को हम लोग केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग बोलते हैं। इनमें क्या होता है? मेंटेनेंस ऑफ स्ट्राइल कंडीशन होता है। स्ट्राइल मतलब क्या होता है? माइक्रोबियल कंटामिनेटेड फ्री एंड एब्सेंस ऑफ केमिकल एम्बिनेंस और इन केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग प्रोसेस टू अनेबल द ग्रोथ ऑफ ओनली द डिजराइबल प्रोडक्ट, क्या? ओनली द डिजराइबल microbes eukaryotic cell in the large quantity for the manufacture of biotechnology product like antibody, vaccine and enzyme etc। Let us now understand the conceptual development of this principle of genetic engineering। You probably appreciate the advantage of the sexual reproduction over asexual reproduction। The former provide opportunity for variation and formulation of unique combination of genetic setup, some of which may be beneficial to the organism as well as the population. हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोला, you probably appreciate the advantage of sexual reproduction over asexual reproduction. The former provide opportunity for variation and formation of unique combination of genetic setup. कौन sexual reproduction, some of which may be beneficial to the organism as well as the population. Okay. Asexual reproduction preserve the genetic information, while sexual reproduction permit variation. Hybridization Traditional hybridization procedures are used in plant and animal breeding. Very often lead to the inclusion and multiplication of undesirable gene along with the desirable gene. Okay. The technique of genetic engineering, which include creation of recombinant DNA, use of gene cloning and gene transfer, overcome this limitation and allow us to isolate and introduce only one or set of desirable gene without introducing undesirable gene into the target organism. यहाँ पे क्या बोला, ट्रेडिशनल हाइब्रिडाइजेशन प्रोसीड्यूर जो होता है यूज इन प्लांट एंड एनिमल ब्रीडिंग, वेरी ऑफ्टन लीड टू द इंक्लूजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ द अनडिजायरेबल जीन along with the desirable. This technique of genetic engineering, which include creation of recombinant DNA, use of gene cloning and gene transfer, overcome this limitation and allow us to isolate and introduce only one or set of desirable gene without introduce undesirable gene into the target organism. Do you know the likely fate of a piece of DNA which is somehow transferred into the alien organism? Most likely the piece of DNA would not be able to multiply itself, हाँ अपने से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर पाता in the progeny cell of the organism, but when it get integrated जुड़ता है into the genome of the recipient, जब जुड़ जाता है इंटीग्रेट कर मतलब जुड़ जाता है into the genome of the recipient, it may multiply and be inherited along with the host DNA. फिर मल्टीप्लाई करता and inherited along with the host DNA. This is because the alien piece of DNA has become part of chromosome. This is because the alien piece of DNA has become part of chromosome, which has ability to replicate. उसके पास ability है replicate करना. In a chromosome, there is a specific DNA sequence called the origin of replication, which is responsible for initiating मतलब start replication. Therefore, for multiplication of any piece of DNA in organism, it need to be part of chromosome, which has a specific sequence known as origin of replication. And which देखो origin of replication which is responsible for initiation and replication. Therefore, multiplication of any कोई भी alien piece of DNA of organism, it need to be part of chromosome. कोई भी चीज मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए उसको जरूरी है पार्ट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम का, एंड विच हैज ए स्पेसिफिक सीक्वेंस नोन एन origin of replication. Thus, an alien DNA is linked with the origin of replication, so that this alien piece of DNA can replicate and multiply itself into the host organism. This can also be called cloning or making multiple identical copy of alien DNA, any template DNA. Let us now focus on first instance of construction of an artificial recombinant DNA molecules. This construction of the first recombinant DNA emerged from the possibility of linkage of gene encoding antibiotic resistance with the native plasmid, autosomal replication circular extrachromosomal DNA of Selinomia typhoidemia. यहाँ पे क्या बोला हमको, लेट अस नो फोकस ऑन फर्स्ट इंस्टेंट ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एन आर्टिफिशियल रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल्स. ठीक है। Thus construction of first recombinant DNA emerged from the possibility of linkage a gene encoding antibiotic resistant with the native plasmid, मतलब native plasmid, autosomal replication circular extra chromosome DNA of Selenonia typhoidium का। ओके, स्टेनले कोहिन and Robert Boer accomplished this in 1972 by isolating the antibiotic resistant gene by cutting out a piece of DNA from plasmid which was responsible for confirming antibiotic resistance. The cutting of DNA at a specific location became possible with the discovery of the so-called molecular seizure, मतलब restriction enzyme. The cut piece of DNA was then linked to the plasmid DNA. The plasmid DNA act as a vector. Plasmid DNA कैसा act करता है? Vector की तरह to transfer the piece of DNA attached to it. You probably know that the mosquito act as a insect vector for transforming the malaria parasite into the human body. In the same way, a plasmid can be used as vector to deliver an alien piece of DNA into the host organism. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? अच्छा सुनो, plasmid can be used as vector to deliver an alien piece of DNA into the host organism. The linking of antibiotic resistant gene with the plasmid vector become possible with the help with the enzyme DNA ligase, which act on the cut DNA molecules and join their end. DNA ligase act करता at their cutting and joined DNA molecule and join their end. This make a new combination of circular autosomal replication DNA created in vitro known as recombinant DNA. हाँ, जब जुड़ जाता है ना, उसको जुड़ जाए तो make a new combination of circular autosomal replication DNA created in vitro known as recombinant DNA. When this DNA is transferred into the E. coli में a bacterium closely related to Selenonia, it could replicate using new host DNA polymerase enzyme and make multiple copies. यहाँ पे क्या होला? When DNA is transferred into the E. coli, हाँ, जब DNA को ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया E. coli में, रिकॉम्बिनेंट DNA को E. coli में, ए बैक्टीरिया क्लोजली रिलेटेड टू सेलेमोनिया, रिलेटेड E. coli किससे रिलेटेड है? सेलेनोमिलिया से. इट कुड रेप्लिकेट यूजिंग न्यू होस्ट DNA. इट कुड रेप्लिकेट द न्यू होस्ट DNA polymerase enzyme and make multiple copy. The ability to multiple copies of antibiotic resistant gene in an E. coli called cloning of antibiotic resistant gene in E. coli. You can hence infer that there are three basic steps in genetically modify of an organism. First, identifying the DNA with desirable gene. Introduce the identified DNA into the host. Maintenance of introduced DNA into the host and transfer of DNA into the progeny. Tool of recombinant DNA technology. Now we know from the foregoing discussion that genetic engineering or recombinant DNA technology can be accomplished only if we have the key tool: restriction enzyme, polymerase enzyme, ligase, vector and the host organism. कौन कौन? restriction enzyme, polymerase, ligase, vector and the host organism. Let us try to understand some of this in detail. Restriction enzyme. In the year 1963 के अंदर 1963 में the two enzyme responsible for the restricting मतलब रोकना, restricting the growth of bacteriophages in E. coli were isolated. हाँ, 1963 में two enzyme responsible for restricting the growth of bacteriophages in E. coli were isolated. One of these added to the methyl group to the DNA while other cut the DNA. जिसमें से एक क्या कर रहा था? मिथाइल ग्रुप ऐड कर रहा था DNA का, अदर कट कर रहा था DNA को. द लेटर वाज कॉल्ड रेस्टिगेटर इंडोन्यूक्लियस। दूसरा क्या बोला जो कट करा उसको, रेस्टिगेटिंग इंडोन्यूक्लियस। इंडो मतलब बीच में जो काटता, ओके। द फर्स्ट रेस्टिगेशन इंडोन्यूक्लियस हिंड टू whose functioning depending on the specific DNA nucleotide sequence. A specific nucleotide sequence was isolated and characteristic 5 year later। हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोला, फर्स्ट रेस्टिगेशन इंडोन्यूक्लियस कहता है हिंड टू whose functioning depending on a specific DNA whose functioning depending on a specific DNA nucleotide sequence was isolated and characteristic 5 year later। कितना, 5 साल बाद, ओके। It was found that Hin2 always cut DNA molecules at a particular point by recognize the specific sequence of 6 base pair। कितना, 6 base pair। 2024 का PYQ था, ओके। The specific base sequence is known as recognition sequence for Hin2। हाँ, this specific base sequence is known as recognition sequence for Hin2। Beside Hin2, today we know more than 900 restriction enzyme that have been isolated from 230 मतलब 230 strain of bacteria। किससे, बैक्टीरिया का। each of which recognize different recognition sequence। इसमें क्या था, each ना था ना, each of which recognize different recognition sequence। The convention for naming this enzyme is the first letter of the name comes for the genus, while the second 2 letter comes from the specific of prokaryotic। हाँ, last do for species of prokaryotic cell for which they were isolated। Example, E. coli comes from E. coli RY13 E. coli। The letter R is derived from the name from the strain। हाँ, R from the name of strain। Roman number following the name indicated the order in which the enzyme were isolated from the strain of bacteria। किससे, बैक्टीरिया किस सीक्वेंस में इसको खोजा गया, ओके। Restriction enzyme belong to a large class of enzyme called nucleolase। हाँ, restriction enzyme belong to large class of enzyme called nucleolase। These are of two kinds, exonuclease and endonuclease। Exonuclease remove what, nucleotide from the end of the DNA, where the endonuclease may cut at a specific position within the DNA। एक्सोन्यूक्लियस रिमूव कर देता है न्यूक्लियोटाइड फ्रॉम एंड से, वेयर द डीएनए एंडोन्यूक्लियस में कट एट ए स्पेसिफिक पोजीशन विद इन द डीएनए। ईच रेस्टिगेटिंग endonuclease function by इंसेप्सिंग द लेंथ ऑफ ए डीएनए सीक्वेंस। ईच हर कोई, ईच जितना भी है, ईच रेस्टिगेटिंग इंडोन्यूक्लियस फंक्शन बाय इंसेप्टिंग द लेंथ, इंसेप्टिंग मतलब पता करके लेंथ ऑफ द डीएनए सीक्वेंस। वंस इट फाउंड द स्पेसिफिक रिकॉग्नाइजेशन सीक्वेंस इट विल बाइंड टू इट द डीएनए एंड कट ईच of with 2 strands of the double helix at a specific position in their sugar phosphate backbone। कौन, sugar phosphate backbone। Each restriction endonuclease recognize a specific palindromic nucleotide sequence in the DNA। हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोला, ईच मतलब हर एक रेस्टिगेशन इंडिया फंक्शन करता है इंसेप्टिंग द लेंथ ऑफ अ डीएनए सीक्वेंस। वंस इट फाइंड अ स्पेसिफिक रिकॉग्नाइजेशन सीक्वेंस इट विल बाइंड टू द डीएनए, क्या बाइंड करता है डीएनए एंड कट ईच ऑफ द 2 स्ट्रैंड, दोनों स्ट्रैंड को कट करता ऑफ द डबल हेलिक्स एट ए स्पेसिफिक पोजीशन, दोनों का स्पेसिफिक पोजीशन इन देयर सुगर फास्फेट बैकबोन। ईच रेस्टिगेशन इंडोन्यूक्लियस रिकॉग्नाइज अ स्पेसिफिक palindromic nucleotide sequence in the DNA। Yes, action of restriction in देखो, the enzyme cut both DNA strand at the same site। वेक्टर में है, एगो यहाँ पे कट मारा, एगो यहाँ पे कट मारा। E. coli R1 cut the DNA between the base G and A only when the sequence GAATTC present in the DNA। हाँ, only, हाँ, दोनों को कट किया इक्वल, फिर यहाँ स्टिकी एंड आया दोनों का, फिर डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट ज्वाइंट बाय स्टिकी एंड। हाँ, फिर एंड किया, फिर रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए बन गया। स्टेप द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए बाय द एक्शन ऑफ रेस्टिगेशन इंडियो न्यूक्लियस एंजाइम ई कोराई। हाँ, स्टेप इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए बाय द एक्शन ऑफ रेस्टिगेशन इंडियो न्यूक्लियस एंजाइम ई कोराई आर वन। ओके, do you know what palindromy are? These are the group of letters that form the same word when read both forward and backward. Example, Malayalam as against the word palindromic where the same word is read in both directions. The palindromy in DNA is the sequence of base pair that read same on the two strand when orientation of reading is kept the same. For example, the following sequence read the same on the two strand in 5 to 3 direction. This is also true if read 3 prime to 5 prime direction, 5 prime to 3 prime, GAATTC, and 3 prime to 5 prime, CTTAAG. ओके, यहाँ PYQ बहुत बार आया इससे। रेस्टिगेशन एंजाइम कट the strength of DNA a little away from the center of palindromic site, but between the same two base on the opposite strand. यहाँ PYQ है 2022 का। यस, this leaves single strand portion at the end. There are overhanging stretch called sticky end on each strand. These are named so because they form hydrogen bond with their complementary cut counterpart. This stickiness of the end facilitates the action of enzyme DNA ligase. Restriction endonucleases are used in genetic engineering to form recombinant molecules of DNA, which are composed of DNA from different source and genome. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? अच्छा समझो, restricting endonucleases are used in genetic engineering to form recombinant molecules of DNA, which are composed of DNA from different source and genome. Okay. When cut by the same restriction enzyme, the resultant DNA fragment have the same kind of sticky end, and this can be joined together end to end using DNA ligase. Yes. Foreign DNA है और वेक्टर डीएनए प्लाज्मिड है। सेम रेस्टिगेशन एंजाइम कट बोथ द फॉरेन डीएनए वेक्टर एट ए स्पेसिफिक लोकेशन। कट किया यहाँ पे कट किया, फिर डीएनए लाइगेज ज्वाइन द फॉरेन डीएनए टू द प्लाज्मिड, ज्वाइन किया, रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल्स बने, फिर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया होस्ट में, फिर होस्ट का क्रोमोसोम से जुड़ के फिर मल्टीप्लाई किया, हाँ क्लोनिंग होस्ट में गया, मल्टीप्लाई सेल डिवाइड किया, ऐसे बन गया। हाँ, डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी। You may have realized that normally, unless one cut the vector and the source DNA with the same restriction enzyme, the recombinant vector molecules cannot be created. Separation and isolation of DNA fragment. The cutting of DNA by restriction endonuclease result in the fragment. क्या होगा? Fragment of DNA. Fragment हो जाता है DNA. Okay. This fragment can be separated by the technique called gel electroporation. The fragment जो टूटा ना उसका fragment को जो टूटा उसको separate करते हैं by the technique known as gel electroporation. Since DNA fragment are negatively charged, DNA negatively charged molecules, as they can be separated by forcing them to move toward the anode under an electric field through the medium or matrix. क्या डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट नेगेटिवली चार्ज मॉलिक्यूल्स है, दे कैन बी सेपरेट बाय forcing them to move toward the anode under an electric field through a medium or matrix. Nowadays the most commonly used matrix is agarose, which is natural polymer extracted from the seaweed. ये भी PYQ है। हाँ, the DNA fragment separate या resolve according to their size through saving effect provided by the agarosive gel. हाँ, यहाँ पे DNA fragment separate या resolve according to their size through saving effect provided by the agarosive gel. Hence, the smaller the fragment size, the further it move. हाँ, Smaller the fragment size, further it move. Look at the figure 9.3 and guess at which end of the gel the sample was located. हाँ देखो ऐसे 1 2 3 4 बना, ये वेल है, यहाँ पे वेल के पास कैथोड होता है नेगेटिवली चार्ज, यहाँ पे एनोड होता है। डीएनए नेगेटिवली चार्ज होता है, मूव कैथोड टू एनोड। यस, a typical agrosic gel electroporation showing migration of undigested undigested and digest set of DNA to 2 to 4। ये undigested ऊपर वाला, बाकी नीचे वाला सब क्या digest। ओके हाँ। The separate DNA fragment can be visualized only after staining the DNA with a compound known as epithidium bromide। Epithidium bromide followed by the exposure of UV radiation. You cannot show pure DNA fragment in the visual light and without staining। Yes, यहाँ पे क्या बोला? The separate DNA fragment can be visualized, जब दिखेगा only तभी दिखेगा, सिर्फ after staining the DNA with the compound known as epithidium bromide। It is followed by the followed करता है exposure by the UV radiation। You cannot see pure fragment in the visual light and without staining। You can see bright orange color band of DNA in the epithidium bromide stain gel electroporation exposed to UV light। कौन कलर का दिखता था? ऑरेंज कलर का, ऑरेंज कलर, ऑरेंज। यस, the separate band of DNA are cut from the agrosic gel and extract from the gel piece। This is known as inclusion। हाँ, inclusion। यहाँ पे क्या बोला? अच्छा सुनो, the separate band of DNA are cut out from the agrosive gel and extract from the gel piece This is known as inclusion। ELUTION, inclusion। Okay, the DNA fragment purified in this way are used in the construction recombinant DNA by the joining with them cloning vector। हाँ, यहाँ पे फिर क्या बोला? The DNA fragment purified in this way are used in construction recombinant DNA। इसको यूज किससे क्लियर करता है? recombinant DNA by joining them with the cloning vector। Okay, cloning vector। You know that plasmid and the bacteriophagous have ability to replicate within bacteria cell independently of the control of chromosomal DNA। यहाँ पे क्या बोला? Plasmid and plasmid और bacteriophagous have ability to replicate within bacteria cell। replicate क्या करता है? बैक्टीरियल सेल में independent of the control of chromosomal DNA। हाँ ठीक है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन है। जैसे कि हम लोग जानते हैं, यू नो दैट प्लाज्मिड एंड बैक्टीरिया फैगस हैव एबिलिटी टू रेप्लिकेट विद इन बैक्टीरियल सेल इंडिपेंडेंटली ऑफ द कंट्रोल ऑफ क्रोमोसोम DNA। बैक्टीरियोफेगस बिकॉज ऑफ देयर हाई नंबर पर सेल have very high copy number of their genome within the bacteria cell। Some plasmid may have only 1 or 2 copy per cell, where other have 15 to 100 copy per cell। यहाँ पे क्या बोला? बैक्टीरियोफेगस जब बिकॉज ऑफ देयर हाई कॉपी नंबर पर सेल हैव वेरी हाई कॉपी नंबर ऑफ देयर जीनोम विथ इन द बैक्टीरियल सेल। सम प्लाज्मिड मे हैव ओनली 1 to 2 copy per cell, where other may have 15 to 100 copy per cell। Their number can go even higher if we are able to link the ln piece of DNA with the bacteriophagous or plasmid। यहाँ पे क्या बोला? Their number can go even higher if we are able to link the ln piece of DNA with the bacteriophagous or plasmid DNA। इतना जब जाएगा एलियन पीस ऑफ डीएनए को जब हम लिंक कर देंगे बैक्टीरियोफेगस प्लाज्मिड डीएनए से। ओके, वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई इट्स नंबर इक्वल टू द कॉपी नंबर ऑफ द प्लाज्मिड और बैक्टीरियोफेगस। हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोला? वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई इट्स नंबर इक्वल टू द कॉपी नंबर, मल्टीप्लाई कर इन नंबर को इक्वल टू द कॉपी नंबर ऑफ द प्लाज्मिड और बैक्टीरियोफेगस का। ओके, Vector used at present are engineered in a such a way that help easy linkage of foreign DNA and selection of recombinant from non-recombinant. यहाँ पे क्या बोला, वेक्टर यूज्ड एट present are engineered in a such a way that they help easy linkage of foreign DNA, easy linkage of foreign DNA and selection of recombinant from non-recombinant, selection from recombinant from non-recombinant. Okay. Origin of replication मतलब ओराई. This is a sequence from where replication start and any piece of DNA when linked to this sequence can be made to replicate within the host cell. Yes, this sequence is also responsible for the controlling the copy number of linked DNA. So if one want to recover many copy of target DNA, it should be cloned into the vector whose origin support high copy number. Selectable marker. In addition to ORI, the vector require a selectable marker which help in identifying and elimination non-transformer and selectively permitting the growth of transformant. Transformation is a procedure through which a piece of DNA is introduced into the host bacterium. You will study the process in subsequent section. Normally, the gene encoding resistance to antibiotic such as ampicillin, chloramphenicol, tetracycline or chemacin etc. are considered a useful selectable marker for E. coli. किसके लिए? E. coli के लिए. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, अच्छा देखना, E. coli के लिए. The normally E. coli do not carry resistance against any of these antibiotics. Cloning site. In order to link the LNDNA, the vector need to have very few, probably a single. Probably a single recognition site for commonly used restriction enzyme. Presence of more than one recognition site within the vector will generate several fragments, which will complicate the gene cloning. The ligation of LNDNA is carried out at the restriction site present in one of the two antibiotic resistant genes. For example, you can ligate a foreign DNA at the BIM1 site of tetracycline resistant gene in the vector PBR30 PBR322. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? For example, you can ligate a foreign DNA at the BIM1 site of tetracycline resistant gene in the vector PBR322. The recombinant plasmid will lose tetracycline resistance due to the insertion of foreign DNA, but can still be selected out from non-recombinant ones by planting the transformant on the tetracycline containing medium. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? The recombinant plasmid will lose tetracycline resistance due to the insertion of foreign DNA, but can still be selected out from non-recombinant ones by planting the transformant on the tetracycline containing medium. यहाँ पर recombinant plasmid जो है, recombinant plasmid lose कर देगा tetracycline resistance due to the insertion of what? Foreign DNA, but can still be selected out of from the non-recombinant ones by planting the transformant on the tetracycline containing medium. The transformant grown on ampicillin containing medium are then transferred on a medium containing tetracycline. The recombination will grow in ampicillin containing medium but not on containing tetracycline. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? The transformant growing on ampicillin containing medium are then transferred on a medium containing tetracycline. The recombinant will grow in ampicillin containing medium but not containing tetracycline. Okay, but non-recombinant will grow on the medium containing both the antibiotic. but non-recombinant जो होगा, non-recombinant grow कर देगा, will grow on medium containing both the antibiotic. In the case, one antibiotic resistant gene help in selecting the transformant where the other antibiotic resistant gene get inactivated due to the insertion of ln DNA and help in selection of recombinant. Selection of recombinant due to the inactivation of antibiotic is a cumbersome procedure because it requires simultaneously planting of on two plate having different antibiotic. यहाँ पे क्या selection of recombinant due to the inactivation of antibiotic is a cucumberous procedure because it requires simultaneously planting on two plate having different antibiotic. Therefore, alternatively selectable marker have been developed which differentiate recombinant from non-recombinant on the basis of their ability to produce color in the presence of chromogenic substrate. Chromogenic substrate मतलब color producing substrate. In this recombinant DNA is inserted within the coding sequence of an enzyme beta galactoside. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? A recombinant DNA is inserted within the coding sequence of an enzyme beta galactoside. हाँ, recombinant DNA जो है insert करेंगे within the coding sequence of an enzyme beta galactoside. This result into the inactivation of the gene for synthesis of this enzyme, which is referred to as insertal activation. The presence of chromogenic substrate give blue color colonies if plasmid in the bacteria does not have an insert. Presence of insert result into the insertor activation of the beta galactoside gene and the colony do not produce any color. These were identified as recombinant colonies. हाँ, यहाँ पे बोला presence of inserted result in insertion inactivation of beta galactoside gene and colony do not produce any color. These identify recombinant colonies. Recombinant colonies color produce नहीं करता, non recombinant colonies color produce करता, वो भी blue. Okay. Vector for cloning gene in plant and animal. You may be surprised to know that we have learned the lesson of transforming gene into the plant and animal from bacteria and virus. Okay, bacteria और virus से दोनों से हम transfer कर सकते हैं, bacteria and virus, which have known for the age how to deliver gene to a transformer eukaryotic cell, force them to do the bacteria or virus want. Which have known this for gene how the deliver gene to have transfer eukaryotic cell and force them to do bacteria or virus one. For example, Exobacterium tufifacinium, Exobacteria tumifacinius, a pathogen for several dicot plant. इसके लिए dicot, हाँ, several dicot plant is able to deliver a piece of DNA known as tDNA to transfer normal plant cell into the tumor and direct this tumor cell to produce the chemical required by pathogen. यहाँ क्या बोला? Agrobacterium tuvifacinium, a pathogen for several dichotomous plant, is able to deliver a piece of DNA known as tDNA to transfer normal cell into the tumor and the direct these tumor cells produce this chemical required by the pathogen. Similarly, retrovirus in animal have ability to transfer normal cell into the cancerous cell. A better understanding of this art of delivered gene by the pathogen in their eukaryotic host has generated knowledge to transfer this tool of pathogen into the useful vector for delivering the gene of interest to the human. The tumor-induced TI plasmid of Agrobacterium tuvifacinium has been modified into the cloning vector, which is no more pathogenic to the plant, but is still able to use the mechanism to deliver gene of our interest into the variety of plant. Similarly, retrovirus have been also be disarmed मतलब अब हार्म नहीं करेगा, disarm and are no use to deliver desirable gene into the animal cell. So once a gene or a DNA fragment has been ligated into the suitable vector, it transfer into the bacterial, plant or animal host where it मल्टीप्लाई। हाँ, कंपोनेंट होस्ट फॉर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन विद द रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए। कंपोनेंट होस्ट मतलब जो लेता है ट्रांसफर रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए को, से जो कुछ लेता है उसी को कंपोनेंट होस्ट बोलते हैं। सिंस डीएनए इज ए हाइड्रोफिलिक मॉलिक्यूल्स, डीएनए क्या है? हाइड्रोफिलिक मॉलिक्यूल, मतलब वाटर लविंग मॉलिक्यूल्स है। डीएनए इज ए हाइड्रोफिलिक मॉलिक्यूल्स, इट कैन नॉट पासेस थ्रू द सेल मेम्ब्रेन। वाई? हाँ, डीएनए क्या हाइड्रोफिलिक हाइड्रोफिलिक molecules, it cannot pass through the cell membrane. Why? In order to force bacteria to take up the plasmid, the bacteria cell must be first be made component to the take of DNA. This is done by the treating with the specific concentration of the divalent cation, a specific concentration of divalent cation such as calcium, which increase the efficiency with which DNA enter, which increase the efficiency with the which DNA enter the bacterium through pores in the cell wall. The bacterium through the pore in the cell wall. Recombinant DNA can then be forced into such a cell by incubating the cell with recombinant DNA on ice, followed by placing on briefly at 42 degrees Celsius heat shock and then putting back in on the ice. This enables the bacteria to take up the recombinant DNA. This is not the only way to introduce alien DNA into the host cell. In method known as microinjection, recombinant DNA is directly injected into the nucleus of animal cell. Microinjection किसके लिए होता है? एनिमल सेल के लिए. Recombinant DNA is directly injected into the nucleus of the animal cell. In another method suitable for plant cell are bombarded with the high velocity microparticle of gold or tungsten coated with the DNA. In this method known as bioblastic or gene gun, and the last method use this armored pathogen vector, which them allow to infect the cell, transfer the recombinant DNA into the host cell. Know that we have learned about tools for construction recombinant DNA. Let us discuss the process facilitating recombinant DNA technology. Process of recombinant DNA technology. Recombination DNA technology involves several steps in a specific sequence, such as isolation of DNA, fragmentation of DNA by restriction into nucleus, isolation of desired DNA fragment, ligation of DNA fragment into the vector, transfer the recombinant DNA into the host cell, culturing the host cell in a medium at a large scale, and excretion of desired product. Let us examine each of step in some details. Isolation of genetic material DNA. Recall that nucleic acid is a genetic material of all organism without exception. All organism without any exception. In majority of the organism, this is dicarboxylic acid or DNA. In order to cut the DNA with the restriction enzyme, it needs to be in a pure form. In order to cut the DNA with restriction enzyme, it needs to be in pure form, free from other macromolecules. Since the DNA is enclosed within the membrane, we have to break the cell and open to release DNA along with other macromolecules such as RNA, protein, and polysaccharide, and also lipid. This can be achieved by treating the bacterial cell, plant cell, or animal tissue with the enzymes such as lysozyme, cellulose, and chitinous fungus. Okay. You know that genes are located on a long molecules of DNA. Genes are located on long molecules on DNA, interweaving with the protein such as histone. Interweaving with the protein such as histone. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? You know that the genes are located on a long molecules of DNA, interweaving with the protein such as histone. The RNA can be removed by treating with the ribonuclease where the protein can be removed by treatment with the fructose. Other macromolecules can be removed by appropriate treatment, and purified DNA ultimately precipitate out after the addition with the chilled ethanol. Chilled ethanol डालने के बाद उसको निकाल सकते हैं. This can assist in collection of fine thread in the suspension. Yes, DNA separate out can be removed by spooling. Okay. Cutting of a DNA at a specific level. Restriction enzyme digestion are performed by incubation purified DNA molecules with the restriction enzyme at the optimal condition for what specific enzyme. Agrosic gel electroporation is employed to check the progression of restriction enzyme digestion. Agrosic gel electroporation is employed to check the progression of restriction enzyme digestion. DNA is negatively charged molecules and it's moved toward the positively charged electrode anode. Anode क्या होता है? Positively charged. The process is repeated with the vector DNA also. The process is repeated vector DNA also. The joining of DNA involving several processes. Joining of DNA involves several processes. After having cut the source DNA as well as the vector DNA with the specific restriction enzyme, the cut out gene of interest from the source DNA and cut the vector with the space are mixed and ligase is added. This result into the preparation of recombinant DNA. Okay. Amplification of gene of interest using PCR. Amplification of gene of interest कैसे होता है? मतलब बढ़ाना PCR से. Okay. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction. In this reaction, multiple copies of gene or DNA of interest is synthesized in vitro using two sets of primer, a small chemically synthesized OV nucleotides that are complementary to the region of DNA, and the enzyme DNA polymerase. The enzyme extend the polymerase using nucleotides provided in the reaction and the genomic DNA as template. If the process of replication of DNA is repeated many times, the segment of DNA can be amplified approximately billions times. 1 billion copies are made. Such repeated amplification is achieved by the use of thermostable DNA polymerase. Isolated from bacterium Thermus equococcus, which remain active during the high temperature induced denature of the double-strand DNA. The amplified fragment, if desired, can now be used to ligate with the vector for further cloning. Region of amplified डबल स्टैंडर्ड डीएनए था, डीनेचर मारा, फिर प्राइमरेज से मारा, एनालिन से 3 प्राइम से 2 प्राइम बना या 3 प्राइम से 5 प्राइम बना, फिर डीएनए पॉलीमरेज एंजाइम लिया, थर्मस पॉलीमरेज डीन्यूक्लियोटाइड, फिर एक्सटेंडेड हुआ, फिर 30 साइकिल किया, एम्पलीफाइड 1 बिलियन टाइम हो गया. Polymerase chain reaction each cycle has 3 steps: denature, primary, analysis, extension of polymerase. Okay. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? अच्छा सुनो, पोलिमरेज में क्या होता है, पीसीआर में क्या होता है? एम्प्लीफिकेशन होता है जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, हाँ, इन विट्रो में होता है. ओके, 2 स्टेप होता है, सेट ऑफ प्राइमर होता है, एक होता है स्मॉल केमिकली सिंथेसाइज ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स दैट आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू जीन ऑफ डीएनए एंड द एंजाइम डीएनए पॉलीमरेज. द एंजाइम एक्सटेंड the polymerase using nucleotide provided in the reaction and the genomic DNA as template. Okay. The amplified fragment, if desired, can now be used to ligate within a vector for further cloning. The enzyme, जो एंजाइम था ना डीएनए पॉलीमरेज, एंजाइम एक्सटेंड द polymerase using the nucleotide provided in the reaction and the genome DNA as template. ओके, अब आगे बढ़ो. insertion of recombinant DNA into the host cell or organism. There are several methods of introducing DNA ligate DNA into the recipient cell. Recipient cell, after making them component to receive to take up DNA present in the surrounding. So, if recombinant DNA bearing gene for resistance to the antibiotic, example ampicillin, it transfer into the E. coli cell, the host cell become transformed into the ampicillin resistant cell. If we spread the transforming cell on agar plate containing ampicillin only, transforming will grow. Untransferred resistant cell will die. Since due to the ampicillin resistant gene, one is able to select a transformant while in the presence of ampicillin. The ampicillin resistant gene in this case called the as selectable marker. Obtaining the foreign gene product. When you insert a piece of alien DNA into the cloning vector and transfer it into the bacterial, plant or animal cell, the alien DNA gets multiplied. In almost all recombinant technology, the ultimately aim to produce a desirable protein. Ultimately aim क्या to produce desirable protein. Hence, there is a need for recombinant DNA to be expressed. इसी के लिए हमें ज़रूरत है, इसी के लिए assertion region बन जाए यहाँ पे. Hence, there is a need for recombinant DNA to be expressed. The foreign gene get expressed under appropriate condition. फॉरेन जीन जो है, फॉरेन जीन गेट एक्सप्रेस अंडर अप्रोप्रिएट कंडीशन. यहाँ पे क्या बोला, फॉरेन जीन गेट एक्सप्रेस अंडर अप्रोप्रिएट कंडीशन. The expression of foreign gene in host cell involve understanding many technical details. After having cloned the gene of interest and having optimized the condition to induce the expression of target protein, one has to be considering producing it on a large scale. One could think of any reason why there is a need for large scale production. If any protein encoding gene is expressed in a heterozygous host, it's called recombinant protein. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, अच्छा से पढ़ो. If any protein encoding gene is expressed in a heterologous host, it is called recombinant protein. The cell having cloned gene of interest may be grown on a small scale in the laboratory. The culture may be used for extracting the desired protein and then purify by using different separation technique. Purify using different separating technique. The cell can also be multiplied in a continuous culturing system where the used medium is drained out from one side while fresh medium is added to the other to maintain the cell in their physiologically most active log or exponential phase. This type of culture method produce a large biomass leading to the higher yield of desired protein. यहाँ पे बोला क्या, कुछ समझे में क्या बोला आप देखो. The cell can be multiplied in a continuous culture system where the used medium is drained out from one side while fresh medium is added to the other to maintain cell in their physiological most active log or exponential phase. This type of culturing method produce large biomass leading to the higher yield of desired protein. A small volume culture cannot yield appropriate quantity of product. A small culture cannot upload a small quantity of product. To produce in the large quantity, the development of bioreactor where large volume 100 to 1000 liter of culture can be processed was required. Thus, bioreactor can be thought as a vessel in which raw material are biologically converted into the specific product. Individual enzyme individual enzyme, etc. Using microbial plant, animal, or human cell, a bioreactor provides the optimal condition for achieving the desired product by providing optimal growth condition, temperature, pH, substrate, salt, vitamin, oxygen. हाँ, temperature, pH, substrate, salt भी, नमक भी, हाँ, vitamin और oxygen. The most common used bioreactor of string type, STIRRIN string type, which are shown in figure. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, ये पहला क्या, सिंपल स्ट्रिंग टैंक रिएक्टर, दूसरा क्या, स्पैगर्ड स्ट्रिंग टाइप रिएक्टर थ्रू विच स्टाइल एयर बबल आर स्प्रेड. हाँ, मीटर लगा हुआ है, मोटर है, ये क्या, एसिड वेस्ट फॉर पीएच कंट्रोल, और क्या, स्टीम फॉर फर्टिलाइजेशन, स्टीम इधर से इधर, फॉर्म ब्रेकर, फ्लैट ब्लेडर इम्प्लेयर और कल्चर ब्रॉथ, स्टाइल एयर जाता है इधर से. ये क्या है, गैस इनरिच होता है नीचे में, ये क्या, इंक्रीज सरफेस एरिया फॉर ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग, बबल्स, हाँ, बबल्स ड्रामेटिकली इंक्रीज ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग एरिया. हाँ, बबल्स ड्रामेटिकली इंक्रीज द ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग एरिया. स्पैगर्ड स्ट्रिंग टैंक बायोरिएक्टर थ्रू विच स्टाइल एयर बबल थ्रू बबल्स आर स्पैगर्ड. हाँ, स्पैगर्ड है, और क्या, सिंपल स्टैगर्ड टैंक. ओके. A staggered tank reactor is usually cylindrical, cylindrical, or with a curved base to facilitating the mixing of reactor content. The staggered facility even mixing and oxygen ability throughout the bioreactor. Alternatively, air can be bubbled through the reactor. If you look the figure closely, you will see the bioreactor has an aggregator system. Bioreactor has an aggregator system, an oxygen delivery system, and foam controlling system, a temperature controlling system, pH controlling system, a spelling spot, or a small volume of the culturing can be withdrawn periodically. Downstream process. After completion of biosynthetic stage complete होने के बाद, the product has to be subjected through a series of process before it is ready for marketing to finish. हाँ, ठीक है. Product. The process includes separation and purification. Which are collectively referred to as downstream process. The product has to be formulated with suitable preservatives. The product has to be formulated with suitable preservatives. Product has to be formulated with suitable preservative. Okay. Such formulation has undergo throughout clinical trials, as in the case of drug के केस में क्या हो जाता है, undergoing ज़्यादा clinical trial in the case of drug. Strict quality control testing for each product is also required. हाँ, strict quality control testing for each product are required. The downstream process and quality controlling testing vary from product to product. Okay, अब आ जाता है summary. Biotechnology deal with large scale production and marketing of product and process using live organism, cell or enzyme. Modern biotechnology using genetically modified organism was made possible only when the learn to alter the chemistry of DNA and the constructive recombinant DNA. This key process is called the recombinant DNA technology or genetically engineering. The process involving the use of restriction endonuclease, DNA ligase, appropriate plasmid or viral vector to isolate and ferry the foreign DNA into the host organism, expression of the foreign gene, purification of the gene product, functional protein, and finally marketing suitable formulation of marketing, large scale production in use of bioreactor. Complete this unit.